everybody? Got a beautiful day here. It's time to go for a cruise. Today it's the 1957 Chevrolet 3100. Really cool truck. I had a chance to spend some time with this one. It's got a blueprinted and dyno-tuned crate 400 small block under the hood. That was dynoed at 507 horsepower. So it definitely has some good acceleration. That goes through a 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. So you can get some nice cruising out of this truck. It does have a Curry 9-inch rear end. And that has 373 gearing in it as well. So really, really nice build on this truck. Only 2,100 miles since its completion. And yeah, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up the highway speed's absolutely no problem. So yeah, it's got a rack and pinion steering in it. It has power disc brakes up front. Handles real nice, steers real nice. It's got a tilt column. This one's got air conditioning. The air is on right now, works really well. Inside the glove box is, this is a fuel injected truck, and they put the Holley Sniper controller inside the glove box there. So if you'd like to tune it even further, your air fuel ratio, things like that, that'll control all that. I didn't get a chance to talk about this gauge cluster. Really cool. It does like your track times if you want to, your 0 to 60. It's digital, it's analog, and then they put an additional vintage style moon tack up there. So basically your tack reads at the top and at the bottom. We'll try to show that the best that we can inside the pictures. This truck also has cruise control. I wasn't able to figure out how to work it, but it is power on and it is hooked up and everything. I just wasn't quite sure how to work it, but that is down here on the side next to this little toggle switch where you can go ahead and change all the options on your digital display. So yeah, really great truck all the way around. Very nice build. I do like also that it has the additional sun visor on the outside. That just gives it a really cool feel inside here. So yeah, come visit us in Volo, Illinois. We're about a 40-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport. If you need to fly in, contact somebody in our sales department. We'll be more than happy to help you arrange that or answer any questions that you have. Or you can just check out the full pictures, details, and description on volocars.com. But as I see it, it's a fabulous truck. You're really going to love this one.